This is John Link with Apache Village RV Center. I am standing in a brand new Jayco Pinnacle. This is the 36 SSWS. Absolutely beautiful fifth wheel. We have the fireplace roasting here behind us. We're trying to warm it up in here. It's freezing cold outside. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is our team at Apache Village has worked with Jayco for 36 going on 37 years now. And Jayco does something very special for all of its dealers every year. So outside of the pandemic, running on 40 years straight, they allow all of us dealers to come up there, see the factory, see how these are built, receive some training, get a behind the scenes look on how all of these Jaycos are built. Specifically for the last 20 years, they've called that program Jayco Masters. So it is a specific training program that allows us to go up there and get some hands-on demonstrations and literally watch them build these beautiful fifth wheels, travel trailers, and motorhomes. So we just got back from that. I have tons of behind-the-scenes footage from the factories. So if you have ever wondered, man, I wonder what goes into these things. You know, I was just at Apache Village and they were talking to me about the difference and how Jaycos are built different, the engineering behind them, the construction quality, the quality of the components. If you've ever wondered or wanted to have a behind-the-scenes look at that, buckle up, 'cause here we go.